Hello, welcome to Arlene's Kitchen. Today I'm going to be cooking some steak. So I cut the steak up, make some stew beef. Here I have some zucchinis, red pepper, some scallion, some carrot, some mushroom, and some onion. And for the stew beef, I have here some garlic, some Scotch bonnet pepper that was seasoned, some thyme, some black pepper, garlic powder, paprika, and some Maggi seasoning with some soy sauce. So this has been marinated from 4 hours now. So I'm just gonna put it on. Too much. So I have my frying pan on. I'm trying to position the camera so you could see. Ready for it to be hot. So you can cut it up and season your stew beef and let it marinate for a couple of hours, which it will taste much better. Just gonna put it in my pot. And I put some pimento in there just for flavor. You could add on any sauce, any season, or any sauce that you want. I put some Maggi sauce. You could add some oregano and some parsley. Just gonna let that cook. Gonna cut up the vegetables now. That's my zucchini. My carrots. add in my mushroom. Just slicing that up. Cut some red peppers. And guys, this is how I make mine. Everybody does cook different and use different seasoning. And even though you hear I said I use all those seasoning, it's not salty. Just a little bit to give it flavor. And you add your pepper to the taste. And your soy sauce. Or your mushroom sauce. Some people use jerk sauce. Just cutting out the scallion. And my time is already in with the meat. So those are what I'm going to be added into it. Just going to give it a turn. So guys, here. I just love the smell of the aroma of the season. You can smell the garlic, the pepper, the spices that you've used. Just give it a nice aroma. That's my onion. And guys, please feel free to drop your comment, like the channel, subscribe, share, tell a friend, let me know how I'm doing. I like my stove clean. Gonna check on it again. So guys, this is gonna take a while because this is stew beef. Wash some rice and put it on. Washing my utensils, my cutting board. Get that out of the way. Clean it as you go along in your kitchen. Don't leave a messy kitchen. And I like to wash my rice until it's clear. The water is clear. That's my cup. That's the side of the stove. When you're making this stew beef, just take a while. And I didn't add any water yet because it brings water on. Now we'll add some on now. Okay, just gonna let that cook. So I'm just gonna add my rice on the stove. Just gonna add a little bit of salt. And some butter. Gonna give it a stir, and it's gonna cover it on low and let that cook. And I'll come back with part 2. So I'm doing this the next part too. Stay tuned.